got the plexiglass wheels already set up on the Prodigy. There's no way, from recent experiences, that I could film an entire video with that on my scooter. I've tried before, I did it, but you're very limited. In the meantime, we'll be riding this thing for a couple more minutes. Anybody on the East Coast or anywhere cold in the world who wants to relate to me when I say, when you ride in the winter, it's almost not about learning all these new crazy tricks, but preserving the tricks that you already have. Sometimes on days like this, it's so cold that you're almost just making sure that you keep your tricks. So when the warm day comes, you're prepared to do a bunch of new tricks. And today it's cold. I'm wearing gloves, beanie, link in the description. And as soon as you stop moving for about 2 minutes, you get cold right away. Sometimes just how the thumbnail looks when I'm making a video is the big reason why I want to make the videos. Like, this looks nuts, especially all the colors on the Prodigy. And I'm always curious about how things just look, and I love experiments. Everybody loves the Prodigy, and it's really that shot that motivates me to make a new video and experiment just to see what it looks like. And I'm sure you're just as curious as I am. And I'm glad that these plexiglass wheels didn't completely break in the last video, because now we're able to put them on another scooter. Just in case they break, this is what they look like. A little chewed up from the last video. They roll pretty good. There's no bearings inside. This is straight on the axles, nothing else holding this. And you have the back one on here. You see how chunk this one got from the last video? It's not regular glass, which makes this thing last a lot longer than one tail. If you guys haven't seen that first glass, pure glass scooter video, click the card above. That's the first glass scooter wheel video that I've ever made, and I don't think anybody else has made it because it's really hard to just get them on. But since we're at the skate park and we're riding the Prodigy, I figured let's try to do 5 tricks using the plexiglass wheels on the Prodigy S8 2021.
Bearings in this or anything, right?
No, it's just straight axle. We made it again. We can use these in another video. I was expecting these to break, but since they're not broken, we could definitely do something with these again. Oh, there is a huge crack on the inside. I didn't even realize. If you look on the inside, there's a big crack going up. But the coolest part, I know exactly where to get more of these, and if there's an idea you guys want me to put these on or do something with, it's fun to experiment. Like I said, the thumbnail was like the reason why I wanted to try. Obviously, the thumbnail is what people look at and they click it, and obviously you want people to see your videos, right? That's the plan. I want people to click my video, so you get a thumbnail and you get a title that's clickable, and then you show them what you really can do, which is like a regular scooter, get clips. And at the end of the day, I would hope that my channel could be at a point where I can just put new flat trick January 26, 2021, and people are just like, oh my god, I can't wait. You have to do these things in order to attract people to the channel, and that's how the whole YouTube thing works. It's kind of annoying. I appreciate you guys watching this video. If you enjoyed the me riding my normal scooter, please leave a like. And if you enjoyed this, it'd be nice if you leave a like too. So either way, leave a like, really helps the video. Subscribe if you want to see more videos. There's plenty of videos on this channel. Give me some ideas, This thing is still in one piece, and if I have to get more, I can get more. I know exactly where to get them. But for all the support, and I'll see you guys in the next video.